This is Darshana Gauchan with your daily news update for January 27, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. Asian shares hit a new record on Tuesday as investors hoped for the best from a barrage of U.S. large-cap earnings. South Korea's Kospi reversed earlier losses to surge by more than 2%. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose 0.9% to hit a new record high. The Nikkei gained 0.7%. Chinese blue chips rose 0.2%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index raised 1%. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.22 points or 0.05% to 423.16. Total trade volume was down with 95,925 shares changing hands at a total value of 691.9 million real or over $172,000. On the main board, only one stock, Pestec Cambodia, was up, while Phnom Penh Autonomous Port and Akleda Bank were down, and the rest of the board stayed flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering was down and JS Land and Picasso City Gardens stayed flat. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real strengthened slightly to 4,026 Real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 96.94. Turning to global commodities, oil prices edged down on Tuesday as investors kept an eye on a resumption in supply from Kazakhstan, but price declines were limited as a massive winter storm hit crude production and affected refineries on the US Gulf Coast. Brent crude futures were down 0.4% at $65.31 US a barrel. US West Texas Intermediate crude lost 0.3% to $60.44 US a barrel. Gold rose as geopolitical uncertainty underpinned safe haven demand, while silver surged 8% to hover near all-time highs. Spot gold climbed 1.6% to $5,092.70 US per ounce after scaling a record $5,110.50 US on Monday. U.S. gold futures for February delivery edged 0.1% higher to $5,088.40 US per ounce. Now moving on to other business-related news. Senior officials from the Council for the Development of Cambodia met with a delegation from the Cambodia Chamber of Commerce in California on January 27th to strengthen economic cooperation and catalyze investment flows between the kingdom and the United States. The talks focused on navigating the evolving regulatory landscape and identifying high-growth sectors for American investors. In response to an invitation from the President of the United States, Prime Minister Hun Manet has announced that Cambodia will be officially joining the Board of Peace. The Prime Minister confirmed Cambodia's participation in the initiative during a meeting with Admiral Samuel Paparo, commander of the United States Indo-Pacific Command, on January 26th. A representative from the Cambodian Ministry of Commerce recently participated in the Asian Financial Forum 2026 in Hong Kong to promote cooperation and integration in the fields of finance, economics, and international trade. The forum saw the participation of senior government officials, businessmen, experts, and representatives of major international financial institutions from all around the world. And that's all for today's update. This was Darshana Gauchan for B2B Asia News.